Hi, I'd like to talk to you about a recent project I've just completed on next generation end user computing services. I think firstly, if we look at the market for next generation end user computing services, we estimate the market in 2017 to be approximately 7.2 billion, growing with a CAGR of 12.5% to reach a market size of 11.6 billion in 2021. So what are some of the key drivers we're seeing in the market for next generation end user computing services? I think one of the key observations I've seen is there's a real need to improve the end user experience, almost creating a consumer-like experience across workplace services and the service desk, allowing the end user to use any device, anytime, anywhere, and also allowing them to interact through the channel of their choice in an omni-channel approach. Organisations are looking to improve cost savings, productivity, and flexibility through the adoption of cloud and consumption-based models. A good example here is the move to Windows 10, with migration being driven by some organisations still being on Windows XP, some on Windows 7 with end-of-life support finishing next year, but organisations using Windows 10 migration as the means to move to a modern workspace, to improve the end-user experience and be more compliant with upcoming regulations such as GDPR. Office 365 services are a key driver as well, as is application and desktop virtualization. So what are some of the next generation end user computing services that the IT services vendors are providing? Well, one of the big things we're seeing really is the provision of persona-based self-serve capabilities, allowing the end users to interact through the channel of their choice, be that phone, be that live chat, be that virtual agent or chatbot, where currently the tasks are fairly simple, such as password reset, or ticket status, or procuring devices, or frequently asked questions. But as machine learning proliferates, then so the cognitive capabilities will increase, particularly with the virtual agent across the service desk. There's a need to create a self-serve knowledge base, allowing end users to access and self-serve the technical support that they need. The creation of tech bars, on-site support where end users can go to get technical support and advice. They can get training and collaboration. Also the use of digital lockers for dispensing IT peripherals and consumables. Digital lockers where end users can drop off devices for repair and pick them up safely at a later date. Windows 10 migration, Office 365 migration services are very key services being offered. Desktop and application virtualization. Proactive and predictive analytics, using analytics not only to improve the end user experience, but also to stop incidents from occurring through the use of self-heal capabilities. Unified communication as a service, mobile device management, enterprise mobility management, identity and access management, and endpoint security are all key services being offered in next generation end user computing services by the IT services vendors. So what might we see in the next couple of years? Well, I think there'll be a greater emphasis on deeper personalization of services by persona. I think there'll be a different use of field services, in using field services to support IoT enabled devices and sensors, using augmented reality for remote technical support services. I think VDI will become the enabler for application delivery within the digital workplace. And I think cognitive virtual agents with greater decision-making capabilities will increase as machine learning proliferates across the end user environment, particularly within the service desk. So I hope you found this vlog useful. There were some links at the beginning. Feel free to follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please access our website for instant updates and for weekly updates, and also to access the research that I've just spoken about in next generation end user computing services. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful, and I very much look forward to speaking to you again soon. Thank you.